Sabi niya, ano ba yun?
Ibang meron.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player in the Philippine Fan and winning head coach Sean Reyes. Coach Sean, first win of PNP this conference. What were the factors that led to this win, and how was the team able to overcome the first two games and their struggles?
Well, our only focus for this game was effort. That was written in big letters on our board. Because I was very, very upset with the effort that we showed in the first two games. Even before looking at the technical aspects of the game, you know, not having Jason and Kelly and Boy as well for the first two games was a big blow for us. But still, there's no excuse for not exerting our best effort. And that's why I was very pissed today. I'm very, very upset with the way we finished this game. We gave up 8 points in the last 40 seconds. And that goes against everything that we believe in and everything that we stand for as a team. So, yeah, it's good to come out with a W, but you know, it's really not something that we don't want to win that way.
Thank you, Coach. Moving over to Calvin, 42 points today, career high ends at 3-pointers. Congratulations. Ano yung mga factors that led to this performance para sa'yo?
Wala naman. It's just, yun nga, we are known for sa depensa dapat. Thanking my teammates na passing me the ball, na convert ko naman, giving back to them na pasatas. Siguro, yun nga yung sinulat ni Coach na effort, yun yung pinakamalaking bagay na dapat namin consistently na ibibigay palagi sa loob ng court. Kasi hindi yun natuturo sarili na yun, sariling sikap na yun ng mga players. And siguro din, focus lang kami this game. The past 2 games, medyo on cloud pa yung mga isip ng mga teammates ko. Pero yun nga, tapos na, sabi ko nga sa kanila, tapos na yung championship, kailangan namin magtrabaho ulit. So, hopefully, maging consistent kami sa mga ginagawa namin and more improvement sa depensa namin.
We're now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Big congrats. May ikaw ngayon, 42 points na yung 3 points. Bang meron?
Maganda lang tulog. Palagi naman yun. Maganda lang gising. Ginagawa ko naman yun araw-araw sa practice, simula sa practice syempre. Confidence na yung binibigay ng coaches, ni Coach Shot sa amin to take those shots. Yun yung sinabi niya, pag-libre, tira. And giving credit na lang sa mga teammates ko, kina Henry, kina Jello, sa mga depensa nila. Yung lahat, sila Glenn, Paul, kahit konti lang, pero alam na yung presence niya off the court, talagang nagsasalita siya doon. Knowing na wala sila Kuya Ryan, si Kuya Jason, Kuya Kelly. And malaking bagay din na nandun si Poy. Yung wala si Poy, talagang nahihirapan kami. Kaya sinasabihan ko palagi si Henry na mag-focus sa game. Kasi short-tempered siya, talagang mabilis siyang napipikon. So sinabihan ko siya na kailangan siya sa laro, lalo na ngayon na wala si Kuya Kelly.
Actually, last game pa mainit si Calvin, but in the second half, we failed to get him the ball in the crucial moments. So we talked about that as a team, and I'm glad that the players responded. Continue to find him, especially in the
Yung sa pagitan nga ni Calvin na si Boy, how big was his return? Paano yung discussion nyo? Siyempre, Boy, alam na natin,
Alam niyo naman lahat. Alam naman din.
Sa private na usapan na lang yan. But yeah, we have one of the smallest imports in the league, so our figs are very, very important. We already knew that we won't have Kelly these first few games, but I thought at least with Poy and Henry, we had a fighting chance. And problema, nawala si Poy for the first 2 games essentially. And if you remember in our game against Eastern, he scored 4-6 quick points right away before getting thrown out. So laking bagay talaga nun, and it has a ripple effect kasi mag-extra kayod si John, si Ronde, and everybody else, and it affects the other parts of the game.
Coach, how much are you relieved that finally you get that first week?
Very relieved, but like I said, still very upset because I really don't like the way we ended the game. But I thought we put up a courageous stand, except for the final 48 seconds. I mean, we don't have Jason, and then we lost Ray in the first half. So we played with essentially our third and fourth string point guards, and still we were able to hold our own. So it was a very courageous effort, courageous stand, except for the final 40 seconds.
Sila Jason plus tsaka si Kelly.
I think Jason should be ready by the next game. Si Kelly after Christmas pa yun.
Alvin, paano tayo mo Lucky Charm today?
Lucky charm ko talaga to eh. Ever since na yung last championship namin, buntis pa yung asawa ko. So, I think
Bulisin mo ulit. Cut yun ha. Asawa naman yun.
Asawa.
Hindi naman
So,
yun.
yeah, we're planning naman. Pero yun nga, lucky charm ko yung anak ko. Siyempre, hindi lang naman siya, pati yung mama niya. Waking up early, nandun sila na sumusuporta sa akin, nagpa-practice after practice. Pinasalubong ako sa kan. So, nakakagaan ang loob kahit na alam yung pagod, pero nandun sila palagi.
Meron pinanganak si Baby.
Kay Roger, si Roger nagkuhan dito eh, nagsabi nung kaya i-anak eh. Siya nagsabi, ka-birthday niya daw, so pinanganak sa birthday niya rin.
Malas.
Sabi niya, 16 yung kanyan, yung due date niya. So sa 16, yun yung sabi ko, Migo, ikaw ata kwan dito.
Ninong si Roger.
Hindi. Hindi ko dininong.
Smart.
Sa Dumaguete kasi kami nagpa-baptize. So lahat ng mga occasion sa Dumaguete kasi mostly nandun yung mama ng asawa ko at family ko. So mahirap na magastos eh. Gagastos ka pa dito tapos papamasahin nila back and forth, no? Malaki. Magastos pa. Bili na lang diaper. Okay. Thank you guys.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to PNP.
Sino ba ito?
Ang pangalan?
Superman, si Kalel.